For the sign up pages, on the form element itself, you have a single attribute, a TG attribute equals sign up form with a tag in between sign up and form. You'll need to pass the name, the email, the password, and the password confirmation fields. You'll have user in square brackets with the password underscore confirmation as the field name for the password confirmation field, and you'll want the type in Webflow to be password. Same for the initial password fields, user, square brackets, password. You don't have to have the password confirmation if you don't want it there. You can also use custom attributes to add custom error messages. We'll put that in an advanced video later on. For email, we would do the same thing. It would be user, square brackets, and then we'd find on the fields table the email field, go back to Webflow and paste it inside the square brackets. Name, same deal. We'd find the name field in the fields table, copy it, put it inside of the square brackets like this. The required fields on the sign up form will be a name, I believe, an email, and a password, and role ID. And usually if you just have a single sign up form, which is included in the $199 per month plan, you will go to the form section of Webflow and add a select element. You can just drag it in there. And the values in that select would be your roles, your different roles that you want people to be able to sign up for. We would have seller, and the value would be the ID of the seller, which we'll find in a second, and the buyer. And what you put for the name of the field is user, square brackets, role underscore ID. This is a mandatory field. You do need this on the page in order for the registration page to work. And we'll find the values for seller and buyer within your admin account. If we go to the roles tab in the admin account and go to the page overrides section, you can copy this numeric ID for whatever role you're looking to connect to the registration page. For provider, it looks like it's 1369. For the seller, 1369, and for buyer or customer, it is 1368, and we'll paste it as the value here. If we were to publish this page, copy the Webflow version of the URL, and then paste it into that integrations tab for Webflow for the sign-up form URL, just like we did for the login form, that would reroute the /registration link to go to this custom design form, and it will function properly, and you can add whatever fields you want to the sign-up form.